questioning, showing a feeling of
doubt,
or a
design,
to ask a question,
okay,
in order to get information. She gave him a questioning look.
okay,
She gave him a questioning look.
okay, questioning, okay, so you say the questioning, okay. Tavi's dog stopped beside her with a
questioning gaze.
good gaze stare.
Swatch.
Tavi
was staring.
Can I gaze? Staring
at the dark big oak tree in her front yard. She'd climbed it 1,000 times. There's something wrong with that bark.
Tavi
said. Suddenly, she wanted to climb the oak again, but it was clear that the oak tree wasn't very healthy.
Okay. What is the meaning of the word?
Bark.
As it is used in the story above. Okay.
A loud sound that a dog makes. The hard out part of a tree.
Which one?
A loud sound that a dog makes. A hard outlet of a tree. A loud sound that a dog makes.
Okay, both. Which one? Okay.
This one.
Yeah. Both has a, yeah. You can say something wrong with the dog bark. Okay. Yeah. This one. Okay. Tree. Okay, let's do that. Okay. Agile. I think I forgot how to say it.
pronouncenames.com.
Andrea.
Andrea. Okay, Andrew. Okay.
Andrea and John were setting up a picnic in their backyard. John carefully carried a plate of snacks across the grass, watch out for that dip. Andrea warned.
Okay, I warned you. Okay. Warn.
No. Warned you. I warned.
What's that?
questioning,
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 questioning. Adjective. She gave him a questioning look.
Okay.
Look. Gave.
Warn.
One.
Warn.
One.
Warn.
War. Okay.
Warn.
One. Two. That tells someone about possible danger or trouble.
Okay.
So that she warned me that the stove was still hot.
Okay.
Warn.
One hot
Warn.
with a
Okay. Angel.
one
John.
John looked down and stepped around the small mud puddle, keeping his snacks safe.
Okay. What is the meaning of the word
Dip.
as it is used in the story above?
Above.
Okay, so do you know which one?
This one.
Okay.
Summit.
Yeah.
Summit.
Yeah.
Summit. 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 Can I row the boat? Asked.
pronouncenames.com.
Timon,
Timon.
Timon,
Timon.
Timon. Okay.
Timon.
Okay, can I row that boat? Asks.
Timon, who had never been in one before. Timmy's.
Mon,
Do we have the correct?
Mon,
Timon.
Timon,
Timon.
Timon,
Timon. Timon's fans let him take the
Okay, do you know what's that? What's that?
one.
Warn.
One.
Warn.
One.
Warn.
One. She warned me that the stove was still hot.
Okay.
or,
Or.
or,
Or.
or,
A long pole with a
Broad.
broad
Blade.
at one and used for
Propelling.
propelling or
Steering.
a boat.
or,
Or.
or,
Or.
or,
Or.
Can I spell it?
O-A-R. Or.
What's that?
Or.
Okay. So Timon's friends let him take the
Oars, and then they teach him how to row when it's time to return to the
Bank.
bank. They help him
Steer.
steer.
Still change the direction, okay. Steer wheel. Steer, no. Yeah, still. Steering wheel. What's that?
Steering wheel.
Yeah, it changes the direction, okay. It controls the direction of the car. What's that?
Or.
Okay.
A long pole with a
Broad blade at
at
one end. What's that?
or.
It's so slow.
Steer.
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 Steer. Verb. To control the direction in which something moves. She steered the
Ship.
She steered the ship.
Okay.
He steered her car carefully. He steered his car carefully into the parking space.
Steer.
Steer.
Can spell?
S-T-E-E-R. Steer. Verb.
When it's time to return to the bank, they help him
steer. Timmy's.
Pronouncenames.com.
Timon,
Timon.
Timon,
Timon.
Timon,
Timon. 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 Timon's friends shouted right, left, or on no left. They keep shouting directions at Timon until they reach the river's shore.
Okay.
What is the bank?
Okay.
Builder.
What is the meaning? What is the meaning of the word
Bank.
as it is used in the story above? What's that?
Bank. A building where people keep their money. The raised ground along a body of water, a glitter gathering of thick fog or clouds.
Okay, which one?
Clouds. This one.
Okay.
Summit.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's it.